Hey friends, coming to show you the Crossbody organizing tote. This one's been around for a little while, but it's going to be on special in May, and you're going to want to check out the comments that I've posted with this video so that you can see the other fun news about this bag. But in case you haven't seen it, it's got everything you need. You've got a mesh pocket on the outside for your thermal mug or your water bottle, two huge pockets on the front, and then another mesh pocket on the side, which is where I normally throw my cell phone when I'm carrying this. And then on the inside, I don't know how to show you if you can see that. There's a big pocket on the inside too. It doesn't zipper or anything, it's just a big open pocket. But then the top, you can fit so much in this, and this zips closed. I can use this as a work bag. If you've got kids going off to college or in high school, this is a perfect bag for them too, because they can really organize everything that they need in one bag. And they've got either the little carry-all handles or the crossbody that adjusts so that they can either wear it on their shoulder like they would a regular bag, or they can wear it as a crossbody if you adjust this to any size that you need. But perfect bag that's normally $38, and you're going to be able to get it for just $15 as a customer special. Go check out the prints. Let me know which one is your favorite, and let me know what you think of the announcement above. Hope you love it as much as I do. Bye, guys.